So it is late winter, and we do have some chores around our home and garden. So I am with Tom Combs from Bonide, who's going to tell us all about moss care. So tell us about what we should be doing now in the garden.
Okay, I will. So now is the time. We're early spring, actually late winter. You know, there's one guarantee here in the Northwest is we grow moss literally everywhere. Lawns, flower beds, the roof, the deck, the back patio. So we've got a number of products that can be used safely. And the first one in my hand, and I'd like to stress safely, if you'll note or take a close look at that tan shoulder on the front of the label, that is a way that we do some color coding in our products, and that signifies that it's a natural product. This is potassium salts of fatty acids. It comes in a convenient ready-to-spray nozzle, meaning the garden hose connects here. This is an on and off switch, and that will spray or throw about 25 feet.
Wow.
Okay, so this product, Moss Max, in a ready-to-use spray head, is formulated for hard surfaces. Okay, so the roof, the deck, the back patio, a cobblestone hardscape, and the back of the label, believe it or not, talks about being able to use it on hardwood ornamentals.
Okay.
Where we get kind of that grayish lichen that grows on our hardwood ornamentals, as well as the green forest moss, and Moss Max will turn it black in a short period of time.
Okay. So I know that all the directions are on there. They really have great directions, and you should always read them. So, but today it's kind of a blustery day, so is that a good day?
Kinda.
It's really wet.
It is wet, it is windy, as you can probably see, and so ideally, a day like today is not the time to do it. So like we mentioned, this is late winter, early spring. So these are the products. Let's just wait for a little bit calmer, drier day to apply it.
Well, it's a good teaching moment.
Yes.
You know, and we do have those sunny breaks, those dry breaks and calm breaks, and really just watch for it. Have all your supplies and then you're ready to go.
Yep, well said.
All right. And then what other kind? I see that you have a spreader and you have a bag.
Yep, so the other product I have is our granular product. Again, this is called Moss Max, okay? Now this is an iron-based product. It will turn lawn moss, it will turn moss in a flower bed black in 24 hours.
Wow.
Okay? So this bag is 20 pounds. It will treat 5,000 square feet, and it is easily used through a broadcast spreader like this.
All right.
Or you can also use a drop spreader. Okay? Now a lot of our lawns, we like to border up to a sidewalk or a hardscape. So remember, this is a granular product. It is iron based. So if you're applying it with a broadcast spreader and you happen to get some of it onto the hardscape, that's okay. Blow it off, broom it off, or water it off with your hose shortly after you've applied it.
And then it won't stain it. It's not
and it will not stain it. Yeah.
So is there a next step after we apply the Moss Max to the lawn?
Yes, and thanks for bringing that up. So step one, get the Moss Max granulars on the ground. Wait 24 to 48 hours. You'll see it turn quickly black. And at that point, we know the moss in the lawn or the moss in the flower bed is dead, but we still have to get rid of it, okay? So in the lawn, you can use a thatching rake, you can use a metal tine rake, you could use a stiff leaf rake, and just physically get it out of the lawn.
Okay.
And the same is true for the flower beds, okay? Now, back to the lawn, once it's removed, you're gonna find that the lawn is very thin. So early spring would be a great time to be doing some overseeding and getting that lawn thickened back up.
Yeah, and that's a great tip because you really want to get those holes filled in before the moss comes back or weeds.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
And then Tom, how can we find these products?
Okay, just go to www.bonide.com and you can find out everything you want about Moss Max and all of our other products.
Ah, great. Yeah. So there's all that information on their website. You can always go to gardentime.tv and you can click over to that and find out even where you're going to be able to get these products for your home and garden. Tom, thanks so much.